Welcome to Thomas' new episode. Today from Appenzell in the middle of Switzerland.
Und hier sind die Kochhus, glaube ich.
Kochhus.
Für die Canton.
Tschüss, Ade. What we did, we rented a car and went to Appenzell. Appenzell is one of the cantons of Switzerland, divided in two. So there's the Appenzell Innerhoden and the Appenzell Innerhoden, basically like the outer side of the Appenzell canton or district and the inner side. Appenzell is very well known for their cheese, the Appenzeller Käse, Appenzeller cheese, and we had a look at the cheese factory where the Appenzeller cheese is being produced from the fresh milk from the cows on the green grass, which looks too fake to be that green. And also if you look at the sky and the combination with the green grass, it looks like an Instagram picture of photoshopped. It looks just fake, but I can tell you, I can assure you, what you see right here, this is without any editing, this is pure out of the camera. So, on the way to Appenzell, we have a pit stop in one of the best places for Schnitzel. They're Austrians here in the east part of Switzerland. I used to go here when I was a student in St. Gallen. So it's really by far the very, very best Schnitzel. And we are having here a little break, lunch break. We walked through of the old town of Appenzell. They have many old and nice buildings, and you can see the flag right here. And it's a cute old town. It's very pure Swiss. And then now we went up to Schwägalp, and you can see here Teleferico, which is disappearing in the fog. It's going up to Sentis, a very nice mountain, and there are always restaurants as well where you can grab a snack. We just went for a small walk and to have a bit of sightseeing. It's already cold out here. We are scratching the 0 degree Celsius mark, and it's nice. It's fresh but good. Your skin feels like newly born again. Let me use it. Good.